Well, another week goes by. Boy, time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? And it is Friday, and it is January 17th, 2020. And this is our video for the week just ended. And again, we had a rise and up in the equity markets. The S&P and the Dow both were up this week. And so as you guys know, or as we've outlined for you in previous videos, as goes January, so goes the year. 82% of the time in an election year, and that's according to MarketWatch. So because of that, we feel relatively confident that January looks to be an up month, and therefore the odds to us seem high that we are going to have an up year as well. Now, our fearless forecast is Dow 31,000, as you may know. And the way the market's been running, we may get there next week. So that's a concern, actually, because if the market rises too quickly, what has normally happened is it's followed by a correction. And if you look at the last 3 months, you see that the S&P has risen by 11% or a little more, which annualized would put it at 44%. That's a pretty strong year. We don't see that happening. So we anticipate a correction here soon. But a correction does not mean it's a time to panic and sell or get out or anything like that. It basically means a recalibration in the values. And they can take the form of going sideways for a long time, for several months, while the market, basically the valuations catch up with where they should be because they got ahead of themselves. Or it could be an actual drop to recalibrate really quickly, and that could happen too. But in either case, we don't see that as a reason to panic or sell. And the reason why is because we've gotten some really good data on the economy. Retail sales were really good, according to the Commerce Department. Apparently, there was a wave of selling in the last couple of weeks of the year, so that or of buying rather, so by consumers. So that's a good thing. Also, consumer confidence, according to the Michigan Consumer Confidence Survey, is the highest in 20 years. So consumers have confidence, they have jobs, they're getting raises, so that bodes well for their spending and therefore profits and therefore stock prices. So we see that as a virtuous circle that drives prices up, and our investments should benefit from that. And also, this is a big one, and that is that home builders in a survey said that they're at the highest confidence level that they've been since 1999, so also about 20 years. And the thing about home building that's really good is that there are a lot of tangential businesses that are affected by home building. There are the carpet layers, there are the appliance manufacturers, there's the architects, electricians, and then the people who service you, the landscape, all that kind of stuff that happens before and after a house is built. So there's a lot of stuff that comes together, all of which, if home building is strong, should help the economy have some good numbers. So overall, we see Dow 31,000 still as a very strong possibility, but we do also want to pre-warn you that we see a correction here in the near future. And it could be that we go sideways for 3, 4, 5 months before we start going up again, or it could be a drop. But neither one is anything to panic about. We're here to watch it over for you. We want you to have financial peace of mind. Let us worry about it so that you don't have to. And we're going to do everything we can to have your money last as long as you do. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a client. And we appreciate you so very much. We will always do our best for you. And we'll talk soon.